like to talk about pawnless endgames. Okay, so both sides need a king. So we'll put a white king, a black king on the board. So this is an instant draw, of course. Nobody has mating materials. Now, the 5-point rule is a way to tell if an endgame is a win with best play. Okay, so the 5-point rule uses a scale of a bishop equals 3 points, a knight equals 3 points, a rook equals 5 points, and a queen equals 9 points. The 5-point rule says that if one side is 5 points or more in front, with best play and from a good position, they will win. Let's have a look. King, knight and king is a win. Is a draw. White only having a margin of 3 points. Likewise, king bishop against king is only a draw. However, king and rook against king gives white a margin of 5 points, so white can expect to win, which is in fact what happens with best play. King and queen against king is an even easier win. Okay, with two pieces, two bishops against the king is a win. That gives white a margin of 6 points. King, bishop and knight against king is also a win, though it's more difficult. King and two knights against king is an exception to the 5-point rule. Even though white has a margin of 6 points, he cannot force checkmate, although it is possible to set up a checkmate. So with best play, this is only a draw. The 5-point rule also applies if black has pieces as well. For example, if white has two rooks against one rook, with best play, it's a win. However, if white has a rook and minor piece against a rook, such as rook and knight against rook, with best play it's only a draw, though of course white would still play on, hoping for mistakes. Rook and bishop against rook is also a draw with best play, although it's tricky and there are good practical chances of winning. With a queen against a piece, a queen will win easily against a bishop or a knight, though white will need to watch out for knight forks. Queen against rook is an exception. Although white has only a margin of 4 points, the queen will beat the rook with best play. If white, say, has a rook and black has a minor piece, rook against knight with best play is a draw, though in some positions, if the knight is in a poor position, the rook can win. Also, rook against king and bishop with best play is a draw, although white can win in some positions. So the 5-point rule is quite useful. Two main exceptions are two knights against the king is a draw with best play, and a queen beats a rook. And it applies to any endgame where there are no pawns. Okay, thank you for watching.